Hello legends, today I'm doing a top-down analysis on Bitcoin and I will share my higher time frame and lower time frame levels that are important to keep in consideration and expect price reaction, price support to be supported from those levels. So first of all, I start with the weekly time frame and I try to farm a higher time frame range. So I take this previous swing high, previous cycle all-time high as our range high, and I take this swing low before this rally as range low. And well, okay, so this is our weekly range, and price has reacted to this range level quite well. As you can see here, it was supported, and here is the resistance, and also this mid-range of this mid-range, this smaller range was support area for several times, and price went to this range low, came back above, broke it, and started this huge rally. So as now we are reapproaching or coming back to this level, you can see that price was first supported as at this range high and moved a little higher, and then it came back. It made a range for several months and it broke this range lows, this previous lows, and made another new low. But this low is supported on this mid range of this smaller range around 7, not exactly around 7, it is around 15,900 area that it was supported on the weekly time frame. So as you can see, this the support area and this resistance area on the weekly, and price might be supported from this and go to this range high and fill this imbalance on the weekly chart, or it might break this range to and go to this lower level around $12,000. So this is our weekly range. Now we go to the daily time frame. In daily time frame, as you can see that Bitcoin has been in a downtrend, and before this down move it was in a ranging phase. So I take this early swing low and important swing low as our range low on the weekly, on the daily time frame. I take this as our range high or uh, resistance area of this range. So I change the color of this range. All right. So now we have uh, marked out our weekly and daily range. That you can see that this was our weekly range. That price broke it and came to this second weekly level, and it has been supported. Here you can see that price has changed character and it made a new high by breaking this swing high. So the market structure somehow changed, and if it managed to get back inside this range by closing a daily candle into this uh, range and hold this range low as support area, I will expect the price to go to this important higher time frame level and this mid range of daily range. So this will be the targets around 20,000 and 21,000 area. And if this area doesn't resist against the price, price might go all the way up to this range high and even to 28,000 area. So we will play it level by level in coming weeks and days. For in case it doesn't go to the upside and it continue go lower and closes a daily candle or weekly candle below this range, uh, this support area, so we will expect that the price might go to this weekly mid range around $12,000. So now you can see that we are inside this range, and it's important that which side we the price will go. Either it goes up and closes a daily candle to the upside, or it continues to go lower. So if it goes lower, the next level will be 12,000, and in case it continues to the upside, this level and this level will be our next daily and weekly targets. So now, as I want to give you a trading setup, we go to the lower time frame. So in this huge move to the downside, you can see there's an up move, green candle. So this candle, inside this candle, this whole range has formed. So I take this candle's high and this previous low to form another range for lower time frame, like daily and for 4 hour and an hour chart. So we mark this on the daily chart, and now we go to the 4 hour time frame. And here you can see that price has been ranging inside this area, and this was the mid range that caused price to be rejected. Every time it came to this mid range, it was rejected and went down to the range low. So this time it managed to close above it and basically continue to stay above this mid range. And if the price hold this mid range, it can go to this level and this level. As you know that this level is our previous swing low on the daily time frame, around 17,000. So if the price uh, rallies to this level, it might be rejected from this. And if it manages to close above this area and even this area, we will be bullish for some time until the price goes to these levels. So now we have marked our levels on the 4 hour. We go to the hourly chart, and I will share the trading setup I'm looking to happen. So in here you can see that we are for now on the mid range, above the mid range, so price can continue going higher. And if you take this as a flag pattern, you can see that price been consolidating on this level, and this order block has held the price from going back below this mid range. So this was the support area, and this is the descending triangle that it might cause price to break it and go higher. So what we should expect from the price and when we should be entering. As you can see that here price came to this order block and it went up. It broke this high that caused this low, so it broke the structure and it came back to this level, which is QM, and now it is once again broke the structure and retested this level. So this area itself is an entry point for us to get involved, this level, with a stop below this level. So this is one trade I'm looking to get. Actually, I'm already into this trade, and I'm targeting first this level, second this range high level, which will be around 18,200. So this is the trade that I'm already in, and if this trade fails, what do I expect next to happen so that I can add or get back into the market? If the price managed to come back to go above this level, above $7,080 like this, and hold this level, I will add another long here with a stop below this level. So this will be my second entry area with the similar targets, first target and second target. In case price doesn't hold this level and go lower, so I will wait for this order block and this highs, also this imbalance to be filled. Once it tags this level and stays above it, I will long it with the stop below this level and targeting these levels. If you want to get into a safer entry, well, if it goes lower, you should be waiting for the price to come back up. And once it reclaims this level, retest it, you can enter here and target this level and this level. So these are my trade plan for the coming week, and those higher time frame levels as I shown, you can take them for coming support and resistance level for the price. Thanks for watching this video.